Hey everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to draw our tall fluted fancy candy jar for our candy still life. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start toward the top of the page. I'm holding my paper long and tall. I'm going to go out and back in, down and out. So this is going to be a little handle on the top. Then I'm going to do a curved line down and a curved line down. And then I'm going to do sort of a little line like this. And it's not a complete line, it's a broken line. Now I'm going to do another bump and another bump. Now if at any point you want to pause this, like watch, pause, do, that's totally fine. And I'm going to do another line that goes out and down, and then an out and down a little bit. Now I am going to do a partial line. Partial means part line here and here, so it's a broken line, it doesn't continue. And then I'm going to do a complete line that is curved a little bit, just a little bit, like that. So here's my lid. Now I'm going to do down, down. Then this is the fluted part. I'm going to go sort of down on an angle, curve a little, come back in, and then go down on the side. Okay, so I'm going to go down on an angle, like a slide line, curve, slide back in a little, and go down. Now if yours looks slightly different than mine, that's totally fine. You know, a lot of times these fancy candy jars that you would see in a candy store have a lot of different shapes, and the more variety, the better. So now I'm going to connect the two lines at the bottom with a curved line. When we have a curved line, it gives us the feeling that this is a three-dimensional cylindrical or cylinder-like shape. Then we're going to do another curved line here and come back up here, here, here. We can also do a little line right here and over here to give us a feeling of some highlights. All right, and now this is ready to fill with candy. So you have a couple different options for how you could do this. You could do ball-shaped candy, stick-shaped candy, anything like that. I'll show you a few different kinds. But remember, we're doing this first, and then we're going to be filling it with candy, and we will be adding our color. So if you want to do sort of a stick-like candy, you can start with an oval over here, and then down, and down, and then another one. So it's basically a long, skinny cylinder, and you can kind of overlap them. Oval, down and stop, down and stop, and then pick it up over here. Whoop, that turned out kind of funny. I'm gonna have to bend that a little bit. See, I make mistakes too. So you could do a bunch of those across. You could also do gumdrop shaped candies. So you could do sort of like an upside down U and a curved shape. You could do a little line like that. And you could do them going in all different directions. You can also overlap them so you would only see part of them. Okay, so we want to choose one type of candy per jar. Okay, so for this one, I would pick either sticks or gumdrops, or maybe I would fill it with gumballs, or you know, things like that. But we want to have the feeling in this collaborative still life. So this would be sort of a gumball shape, that someone is walking into a candy store, and that in each jar there's a different kind of candy, and that's what they get to choose from. Okay, so just choose one of these kinds, and then you can fill your jar. Oh, also with these, you can also make them stripes. You can do sort of these curved lines here, and you can make them all different colors. So it wouldn't just be red and white like a candy cane. You could do all different kinds of colors. You could do like red, orange, yellow, or you know, blue, green, violet together. Like there's a lot of cute things you could do with these. Okay, and again, if you need to stop, pause the video, rewind, slow down at any point, you can totally do that.